the new Milwaukee 50 prototype. It's the next gen. New strobe design. Angled downward. Candela at the top. Built-in light, which is always on. And I have a prototype, so it's not ready. And I have the old cover on it because their white cover was on it, and I wanted it red. Then access behind. There's the back. And this time they're using pigtails for the strobe, terminals for the speaker. But wait. Oh no! It's the regular fire alarm.